Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, which is the healthiest bread. It's not what you think. With so many options on the market, from white bread to whole grain, multigrain, and even keto-friendly options, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is best for your health. Bread is a staple food in many diets, and making an informed choice can have significant health benefits. In this video, we'll break down the different types of bread, their ingredients, and nutritional content to help you make the best choice for your health. Whether you're gluten-free, managing blood sugar levels, or just looking to improve your diet, we've got you covered. Let's get started on our journey to find the healthiest bread.
Choosing the right bread can be a daunting task, but understanding what to look for can make the process much easier. The first thing to consider is the ingredient list. Look for breads that have whole grains listed as the first ingredient. Whole grains are packed with nutrients and fiber, which are essential for a healthy diet. Avoid breads with a long list of unrecognizable ingredients, as these often contain preservatives and additives that are not beneficial to your health. Next, pay attention to the nutritional content. Check the label for the amount of fiber, protein, and sugar per serving. High fiber content is crucial as it aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Protein is also important as it provides energy and supports muscle health. Be wary of breads with high sugar content, as this can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels.
Enriched flour is a common ingredient in many types of bread, but what exactly does it mean? Enriched flour is refined flour that has had certain nutrients added back in after processing. During the refining process, the bran and germ are removed from the grain, which strips away many of the natural nutrients. To compensate for this loss, manufacturers add back in vitamins and minerals such as iron, folic acid, and B vitamins. While enriched flour does provide some nutritional benefits, it is not as healthy as whole grain flour. Whole grain flour contains the entire grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm, which means it retains more of its natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming whole grains has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. When choosing bread, it's important to read the label and look for whole grain flour as the primary ingredient.
Multigrain bread is often marketed as a healthier option, but it's important to understand what it truly offers. Multigrain simply means that the bread contains multiple types of grains, such as wheat, barley, oats, and rye. However, this does not necessarily mean that all the grains used are whole grains. Some multigrain breads may still use refined grains which lack the nutritional benefits of whole grains. The potential health benefits of multigrain bread depend on the types of grains used and whether they are whole or refined. Whole grain multigrain bread can provide a variety of nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The diverse grains can contribute to a broader nutrient profile, supporting overall health. When selecting multigrain bread, check the ingredient list to ensure that whole grains are listed first.
The fiber-to-carb ratio in bread is crucial for a healthy diet. Fiber aids digestion, regulates blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. Carbs provide energy but can spike blood sugar without enough fiber. Look for breads with at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. The ideal carb-to-fiber ratio is less than 10:1. High-fiber breads support digestion, blood sugar control, and heart health.
Whole grain and sprouted grain breads are some of the healthiest bread options. Whole grain bread includes the entire kernel, bran, germ, and endosperm. It retains all natural nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Sprouted grain bread is made from grains that sprout before milling. This makes nutrients more accessible and easier to digest. Sprouted grains have higher levels of certain vitamins and minerals. Both breads offer health benefits depending on personal preference and dietary needs. Incorporating either type into your diet supports overall health.
The trend of adding fiber to breads, particularly in keto-friendly options, has gained popularity in recent years. Keto breads are designed to be low in carbohydrates and high in fats, aligning with the principles of a ketogenic diet. To compensate for the reduced carb content, Manufacturers often add fiber to these breads to improve their nutritional profile and make them more filling. Added fiber can come from various sources such as psyllium husk, flaxseed, or inulin. These fibers not only enhance the bread's nutritional value, but also help in maintaining digestive health and promoting satiety. For those following a keto diet or looking to reduce their carb intake, keto breads with added fiber can be a suitable option that supports their dietary goals. However, it's important to note that not all added fibers are created equal. As with any bread, it's essential to read the ingredient list and choose options that contain natural, high-quality fibers.
Gluten-free bread is a popular choice for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, and it can cause adverse reactions in some people. Gluten-free bread is made without these grains, using alternative flours such as rice flour, almond flour, or tapioca flour. This makes it a safe option for those who need to avoid gluten. While gluten-free bread is essential for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, it's important to understand its nutritional profile. Some gluten-free breads may lack the fiber and nutrients found in whole grain breads. To compensate, manufacturers often fortify gluten-free breads with additional vitamins and minerals. Additionally, some gluten-free breads may contain higher amounts of sugar or fat to improve texture and taste. When choosing gluten-free bread, look for options that are made with whole grain gluten-free flours, such as brown rice flour or quinoa flour.
Wheat allergies are different from gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, but they also require careful attention to bread choices. A wheat allergy occurs when the immune system reacts to proteins found in wheat, leading to symptoms such as hives, digestive issues, and even anaphylaxis in severe cases. For those with a wheat allergy, avoiding wheat-containing bread is crucial to prevent allergic reactions. Fortunately, there are many alternative bread options available for individuals with wheat allergies. Breads made from alternative grains such as rice, corn, sorghum, and buckwheat can be suitable substitutes. These grains do not contain wheat proteins and can provide a safe and nutritious alternative for those with wheat allergies. When selecting bread, it's important to read labels carefully to ensure that the product is free from wheat and cross-contamination. Many manufacturers produce bread specifically labeled as wheat-free, making it easier to identify safe options.
Sorghum is an ancient grain that has been gaining popularity as a healthy and versatile ingredient in bread. This gluten-free grain is rich in nutrients and offers several health benefits. Sorghum is high in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, magnesium, and iron. One of the unique benefits of sorghum is its antioxidant content. Sorghum is rich in polyphenols, which are compounds that help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Sorghum bread can be a great option for those looking to diversify their grain intake or for individuals with gluten sensitivities. Its mild flavor and nutritional profile make it a versatile ingredient that can be used in various bread recipes.
The type of bread you choose can impact your blood sugar levels. Refined breads, like white bread, cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. This is problematic for those managing diabetes. Whole grain and sprouted breads release glucose slowly, stabilizing blood sugar. Choose low glycemic, high-fiber breads to manage blood sugar. Fiber helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Mindful choices let you enjoy bread without compromising health.
Shingles is a viral infection caused by the reactivation of the varicella zoster virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. While there is no direct link between bread consumption and shingles, maintaining a healthy diet, including the type of bread you eat, can support your immune system and overall health. A strong immune system is essential in preventing infections and managing conditions like shingles. Consuming bread that is rich in nutrients, such as whole grain or sprouted grain bread, can provide essential vitamins and minerals that support immune function. Nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants found in whole grains contribute to a healthy immune system. Additionally, a diet high in fiber can promote gut health, which is closely linked to immune function. While bread alone cannot prevent shingles, incorporating nutritious bread options into a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and immune support.
Maintaining normal blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and the type of bread you choose can play a significant role in this. Consistently high blood sugar levels can lead to insulin resistance, diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. Choosing bread with a low glycemic index and high fiber content can help regulate blood sugar levels and support metabolic health. Whole grain and sprouted grain breads are excellent choices for maintaining normal blood sugar levels. These breads have a lower glycemic index compared to refined breads, meaning they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in these breads also helps to slow down the absorption of glucose, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. In addition to choosing the right type of bread, it's important to practice portion control and pair bread with other nutrient-dense foods. By making mindful choices and incorporating healthy bread options into your diet, you can maintain normal blood sugar levels and support your overall health.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the different types of bread and how to choose the healthiest option for your needs. Bread is a staple in many diets, and making an informed choice can have a significant impact on your overall health. Remember to consider factors like ingredients, nutritional content, and health benefits when selecting bread. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content to keep you informed and healthy. See you next time. Stay healthy and keep making informed choices for a better, healthier you.